today again we all have started a journey to the spoken class, and I think this is the third or fourth Sunday we are organizing here. We have gathered here. Today the two topics were given. First one, the role of media, and the second one is our present Prime Minister, current Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the leader of masses. I would like to say something about media first. You know, media is the fourth and one of the most important pillars of democracy, as you all mentioned. Anya told, a free press is necessary. When we have a neutral media, we think that our democracy is very strong in the whole world. Because media's work is not to boast of the government. You know, boast of means only to say good things about the government. Boast of means Hindi sekhi bagharna, keval barai karna. Media's most important thing is to criticize. You know, there is a study of criticism. Criticism is not a very small word. Criticism is the ornament of the healthy democracy. Criticism is the ornament of a healthy democracy. Yes, we should not say only bad things about a person, but we should not only search for the evils of anything. हमेशा किसी चीज़ की बुराई तलाशनी नहीं चाहिए. But whatever bad is going on, we cannot say them good. Your knowledge is wasted when you say good things as bad and bad things as good. Bad thing is bad and good thing is good. So media's work is to criticize the government, the leaders, the policies. Policies. Main thing is policy. Whatever the policy is being introduced to the masses of India, media's work is to put them very honestly. Just like I gave you a policy of population control, that is a draft bill. Do you know draft bill? Draft bill means कि जो बिल अभी आया है वो बिल अभी पूरी तरह से लगा नहीं है, वो बिल है, अभी एक्ट नहीं हुआ है. बिल एंड एक्ट हैज़ अ डिफरेंस. व्हेन आवर असेंबली, लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा विल पास दैट बिल, दैट विल बी एज एन एक्ट, तब वो कानून हो जाएगा. फिलहाल ये बिल है. तो द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ आस्क्ड फॉर मैनी सजेशंस फ्रॉम द पीपल, and in that bill there are a lot of things that can be positive and that can be negative too. So I have drafted a debate competition for the next Sunday, that is on the population control bill, not on the topic of population control, because there is no doubt that population control is not necessary now. Population control is very necessary, but the bill that has been introduced, there can be some controversies. उसमें कुछ विरोधाभासें हो सकती हैं. तो I was talking about the criticism. You know, in this country, no great leader than Mahatma Gandhi was born, but he was also criticized. He is also criticized these days. If this decision had been taken in this way, so this would happen. If this decision is taken in that way, so that thing would not happen. So criticism is for everyone. Nobody is God in the democracy. Everybody is an elected person, elected personality, so he must be criticized for his policies, for his decisions. Okay, Survi, is it right? Criticism is necessary. Criticism is the jewelry of the democracy. Suppose Ayush has been given some power. and he is misusing that power, then is it correct that nobody will speak against him? Anybody has to speak. So criticism is necessary. And the next thing I would like to say, any changes in this nation, one thing, Indira Gandhi was also one of the most prominent leader of her own time. She was called the Iron Lady of India. Indira Gandhi was one of the strongest leader in the whole world. But she was also criticized when she introduced emergency in 1975. She was also criticized. And not only she was criticized, but her government fall down in 1977 election. Am I right? Many more things are there. One thing more I would like to say here. Suppose Anya works hard. She keeps studying for 18 hours. But she doesn't get good marks in the examination. But she doesn't remember the things, she doesn't learn the things she wants to do. Is she a good student? No. What is the effect of your hard work? One more thing, 18 hours work is not a correct thing. As a Prime Minister, it is your duty to work for the nation, not to advertise for the party, not to take the public rallies. It is not in the duty of a Prime Minister. Am I right or wrong? एक प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में जो रैली या चुनाव प्रचार करना, इलेक्शन कैंपेन इज नॉट द ड्यूटी. वो आपके काम में थोड़ी गिना जाएगा. 18 घंटे हम काम करते हैं, हम रात में कहीं भोज में भी चले गए या हम किसी पार्टी में फंक्शन में चले गए, किसी दूसरे काम में गए, तो वो मेरे काम में गिना जाएगा क्या? नो. सो इट इज come out of these things and think what is the effect of the hard work. When I was next chapter in democracy, chapter 3rd is political science में तीसरा चैप्टर क्या है? इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स. उससे शायद पहले ही है कोई पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन को लेकर के. पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन एक टॉपिक है. In this topic it has been described that it is necessary to compete with each other. As a political leader, it is necessary to put the facts among the masses very clearly and smartly, effectively. But the people has to recognize that which leader is the most prominent, yeah, more prominent. You know, when I say that this is wrong and this should not be done, and when I come in power and I impose the same thing, am I right? Am I good? No, I am not good, because I was opposing the same thing when I was in the opposition, and when I came into power I imposed same thing. Am I good? Am I correct? No. When there are many videos on social medias and YouTubes and everywhere, in newspaper, in news televisions, many videos are there in which these opposition leaders have been found to criticize that time of government for the high price of petrol, diesels, gas, LPG, for the high price of anything, for the inflation. Inflation means महंगाई कह सकते हैं. बात समझ में आ रहा है? तो when I criticize the next person, it is my duty when I come in power to solve those problems. Understood or not? Think this thing. Just like I was criticizing that leader, is there not should be anyone to criticize me for my mistake? You didn't get my point, Anya. I was criticizing others, but I should not be criticized. Is it a good thing? मैं किसी की आलोचना करूं, जी भर कर करूं, जो मन में आए वो बोलूं, लेकिन मेरी कोई आलोचना ना करे, ये क्या अच्छी बात है? नहीं. It is not a good thing. So I think every person in democracy must be criticized. Criticism is the ornament of the democracy, is the main beauty of the democracy. Beauty means sundarta. We make fun of many leaders for his statements, just like one thing somebody was saying, yes, Salvi Sri was saying, the political rallies and political campaigns and elections were bad decisions of the election commission and government, या जो भी इस decision को किया, this was a bad decision to conduct the elections during the COVID-19 period. Many religious festivals and occasions were delayed, they were postponed, they were cancelled, but the political rallies were not stopped. They were conducted. We saw just 3 days before, Mr. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi was telling us to wear the mask, to maintain social distancing, because he awared us of the third wave of COVID-19. He told us that the third wave is going to come. But on the next day, he himself organized a huge rally in Banaras. Is it morality? क्या ये नैतिकता है? No. I was also a big fan of Mr. Narendra Modi. One time, 2 years ago, I did not want to listen any bad thing about him. But still I am a big fan of him. But whatever bad he takes the decision, he must be criticized. Wrong is wrong and correct is correct. नहीं, गलत गलत है, सही सही है. जो आप करें तो भी गलत है, हम करें तो भी गलत है. If telling a lie is a sin means पाप. झूठ बोलना पाप है. अब सुरभि बोले तब भी, हम बोले तब भी, दीपक बोले तब भी, आयुष बोले तब भी, ये पाप है. बात समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम बोलेंगे तो पाप नहीं होगा, सुरभि बोलेगी तो पाप हो जाएगा. Telling a lie is a sin for everybody. It should not be divided according to the persons. That Vaishnavi is telling a lie, so Vaishnavi is not a liar. Vaishnavi is a good, she is a good girl, she speaks the truth. No, Vaishnavi's lie is also a lie, and if I am telling a lie, I am also wrong. So understand these things. And I spoke about the media. Media must have the proper freedom. That is not in our country. Yes, sometimes media has the freedom, but in some areas media have the limitations too. I always talk about the freedom with limitation. Extra freedom is dangerous. Nahin, too much freedom is dangerous. Suppose, and too much restriction is also dangerous. Suppose your parents makes many restriction on you, it will not be helpful to you. But suppose your parents give you all the freedoms, it is also not helpful to you. So it is necessary to give you some freedom, and sometimes when you do wrong things, there must be restriction upon you. Okay, so freedom with limitation is necessary. Neutral media, very nice word you choose. It was from the internet or from your own side. Okay, no problem. But it was a good line. Neutral media means a very large sense of meaning. Very big, huge sense of meaning it is. Neutral means I am neither in her side, I am neither in his side. Whatever the things are, I have to present it clearly, perfectly, and without any hesitation. There should not be a hesitation in presenting the thoughts. Okay? Is it clear to you, everybody? The next day we are going to conduct a debate competition again. As in the last classes you all saw that debate competition is organized according to the teams. Teams will be formed. 2 players in a single team. One will speak in the favor of the bill and one will speak against the bill. कोई doubt? That bill is Population Control and Stabilization Bill, the Uttar Pradesh Population Control and Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021. ये बिल है, हमने उसकी कॉपी भी रखी है, वहाँ लाओ, कॉपी लाओ. बिल का कॉपी पूरा लाए हैं, वहाँ होगा ऊपर में, पूरा देखो ना उसमें. तो I have printed the copy of the bill. Anybody can take this and study that bill. I have also sent the PDF files in your phone. Okay, you can study in your homes too, and wherever the problem comes you come to me. I will narrate in the favor too and speak in the against too. Okay, नहीं है वहाँ पे तो होगा. आयुष देखो, एक 14, 15, 18 पेज वाला एक होगा फाइल बना हुआ. वही नीचे ही होगा.
अभी
देखिए, यही है आपका दी उत्तर प्रदेश पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड वेलफेयर बिल 2021. ठीक है, तो इसकी पूरी कॉपी है मेरे पास, आप लोग इसको चाहें तो पढ़ भी सकते हैं. इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें अच्छी हैं और इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है कि ये बिल लागू होना ही चाहिए. पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल बिल इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर द one of the most populated countries like India, and many countries have introduced this kind of bill, but our constitution give us the right to equality. Right to equality यानी क्या? समानता का अधिकार. So in this bill every laws should be equal to all of them, all of us. But there is some inequality in this bill, like here it is written bar on election to local bodies. Local bodies means, यहाँ देखो लिखा है बार ऑन इलेक्शन, कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शन टू लोकल बॉडी, यानी लोकल स्तर पर, यानी पंचायत में, यानी वार्ड में, यानी सरपंच का चुनाव, मुखिया का चुनाव, ये आप नहीं लड़ सकते. बट यू कैन हैव द कॉन्टेस्ट इन विधानसभा, लोकसभा, मंत्री, मिनिस्टर्स में भी आप लड़ सकते हैं, उसमें आप चुने जा सकते हैं. इज इट इक्वलिटी? क्लियरली नॉट इक्वलिटी. वन थिंग, सपोज द बिजनेसमैन, इसमें यह भी है सरकारी योजनाओं का लाभ नहीं मिलना, राशन नहीं देना गरीब आदमी को, तो इससे केवल गरीब आदमी ही ज़्यादा प्रभावित होगा. सपोज करो कि आयुष एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेसमैन है और वो करोड़ों रुपया महीना कमाता है, तो उसको सरकारी नौकरी और सरकार के राशन से कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा? नहीं पड़ेगा ना, नहीं पड़ेगा ना, कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा? अरबों रुपया कमाता है साल में, लाखों करोड़ों कमा रहा है, उसको सरकारी नौकरी से क्या मतलब है? वो तो मध्यम वर्गीय परिवार या गरीब लोगों के लिए होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं उसको भी, अगर 2 से अधिक बच्चे होते हैं तो उसको भी रोकथाम होना चाहिए या उस पर भी एक्शन होना चाहिए। सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरी में रोक कर देने से नहीं, आप इम्प्रिजनमेंट दे दीजिए, 5 साल जेल भेज दीजिए, मगर सबको भेजिए। बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? ये नहीं कि हम चले जाएं और आप नहीं जाइए। तो एक इक्वलिटी की बात होनी चाहिए और कानून ऐसा हो जिसमें कि सज़ा से सबको डर लगे या रेस्ट्रिक्शन जो लगे तो उससे सब इफेक्टेड हो, या तो कोई इफेक्टेड ना हो। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें, आप और पढ़िएगा तो इसमें अच्छाई भी है और कुछ खामियां कम हैं लेकिन अच्छाई भी बहुत है। तो इसको आप लोग पढ़िएगा और इसके बारे में अगर पढ़िएगा तो आप लोग बिल के बारे में भी जानिएगा, है ना। और वैसे हम फिर आप लोगों को इसका शॉर्टकट में समझा भी देंगे फिर कभी क्लास में। चलिए, बहुत सारी बातें हो गई। द नेक्स्ट डे द डिबेट विल बी हेल्ड, सो you all can choose your partners, your teams. If there will be some quarrels in choosing the teams, I will make it easy for you. Okay, thank you.